a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's definitely been a minute since I uploaded a video or even filmed a video, so yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I am back. As I said that a lot of times on my videos, but then I'm like never back. But like, I'm gonna try and film and upload as much as I can. Thanks to work and college, I'm like hella busy, so I'm sorry. Anyways, if you don't know who I am, what's up? My name is Eva. Welcome to my channel. I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays. Well, I used to like every week, but now I'm kind of like slowing down because of work and college. But hopefully I'll get back into filming and uploading every week. Yeah. Anyway guys, today I'm gonna be doing an eyeshadow look for you guys that you can wear anywhere you want, because makeup is makeup. You can do whatever you want with makeup. And yeah, so we're gonna do that. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. When you say it like that, I already did my foundation, my brows, my contour, and all of that jazz. I didn't do my lips and my eyes because I wanted to do that for you guys. Well, I just wanted to do the eye makeup, and then I'll do the rest off camera and then show you the finished look when I'm done. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 350M palette. I could have just said 350M or something, but anyways, I'll be using this palette, and I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, so you guys know. I'm gonna use this shade over here as my transition shade, and I'm just gonna go that on both of my eyes. Usually for YouTubers, people would just do one eye with a zoom in. I'll probably just do that, actually. Man, I forgot how to be a YouTuber, okay? It's been a minute. I've missed Patty's Day, like, because I was working. That's very sad. I was doing morning shift, and it was so goddamn busy, and people were like skirting into my work. Yeah, it was quite interesting day. Then I'm gonna go in with this orange shade and apply that to my crease area. I'm just gonna apply it like so, very lightly at first, and then we'll build up the color as we go. So then we're gonna go in with this red shade, and yes, Emma, I know. Hey Emma, if you're watching this, I'm currently reading your message. What's poppin'? So we're gonna just apply the red shade in the crease area also, just to give it some color and depth and all that jazz. Go really lightly with it first, and then we'll build up the color. So your eyes should look somewhat like this so far. So then we're gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette. So then we're gonna go into this browny red kind of shade and apply that to the inner and outer crease area also. So like so. And yes, I use one brush for literally everything. I just need to get more brushes. Like, I have a lot of brushes right here, but I just really like this brush. It just works really well with me. So I'll just apply the color like so. Just, you can like even pack it on up. I don't know. I ain't the pro. Yeah, just keep building up the color and you'll go far. I don't know what I'm on about half of the time, okay? I was working yesterday and it was about 3 a.m. Yeah, I have morning shifts. Morning shifts are great. So I get tired and like I literally fall asleep when I get home. Even if I don't want to sleep, I just fall asleep. I get about 4 hours of sleep daily, so that's great. Unless I am off, but then I have college when I'm off, so it's quite like shit. But I was working yesterday and this dude came up to me and he was like drunk, and he was like asking me all these questions. Like, he'd come up to me and be like, hey, do you know where the bathroom is? And I'm like, I tell him where. 5 minutes later, he'd come to me again and be like, do you know where I can like smoke? And I'm like, yeah, over there. And then he comes later and he's like, do you know when this is gonna be open? And I'm like, bro, please go away. I'm not being mean or anything, like he was making me feel very uncomfortable. So I just wanted to get out of there. I did. Yeah, it wasn't a very great experience with him, but yeah. I'm taking a smaller brush like so, and I'm applying the same color into my inner crease. Like so, or whatever you call it. So we have some color over here, because we don't, like, I don't really think you can go in with a blending brush in the inner part of your eye. I mean, if you wanted to and have a big ass mess, like I can look like a panda, then you can, but not for me today, okay? Also guys, I noticed we are so close to 300 subscribers. Like literally, I remembered like it was yesterday that I just hit 100. So thank you so much for that. That's intense. That's literally insane to me. So thank you so much. Also, I'll be meeting a good few people on the 28th of May, and I cannot wait for that. It's gonna be so much fun, honestly. We're all gonna turn up. It's gonna be great, honestly. So I'm gonna take this brush again. This is like a shading brush, it's called. And we're gonna go in with this purpley shade, and we're gonna apply that to the inner and outer area of our eye. But not like in the crease, like eyelid. Man, I don't know these terms. Like, I'm just doing makeup. Man, I'm so bad at this. I'm sorry. So just gonna apply the color like so. Just pack it on at first so you can get the shade on the eyelid, and then after, like, blend it out. It's just gonna be great. Guys, I'm gonna be coming out with a haul of clothing soon. I got my paycheck, and your girl, like, did a lot of shopping, so she's waiting on deliveries and she still want to buy shit. So soon there'll be a haul from like Boohoo and Miss Pop and all that jazz. It's gonna be great. Now we're just going to blend these shades together like so. Do it very gently also, because you don't want to go wild, and yeah, you know what I mean. Yes, we're going to go in with one last shade, and it's going to be this brown shade, just to give it like a pop, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're gonna apply that where we applied the purpley shade, wine shade. I don't know, I'm really bad with explaining things, but you can see what I'm doing, so it's all Gucci. So we're just gonna apply it like so, very gently, closer to the waterline, and make sure you don't really cover the purpley shade we just applied. So we're gonna go back into this brown, warm, low-key red shade and put it under the eye. So I'm gonna go in with some concealer. This is from Revolution. A lot of people have been talking about this concealer. It's actually such a really good concealer. I'm just gonna put a concealer onto my eyelid very gently. I haven't done this in a minute, and we're gonna try and make this look somewhat good. So yeah. Let's just press the concealer down rather than just going circling motions and stuff like so. Shout out to the people that actually like do this all the time with their like concealer in their eye looks. Like, it is actually quite difficult to do, but I mean, once you have the hang of it, I'm pretty sure it's Gucci. For me, I'm still new to this kind of thing, but we'll get there, we'll get there. So I'm gonna go in with this kind of shimmer. This is like a pink color. I really love this color. What is this actually called? Sissy. We're gonna go in. We're gonna go with the shade Sissy and apply that to where you applied the concealer. It's just a very beautiful shade. Bam! She's back and she's done her eyes and her lips. So this is the finished look. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty basic, like reds, browns, oranges. I know a lot of people use these colors, but I was really feeling those colors, so I kind of just went for the look. Also, I did a nude lip because of the eyes. I want people to look at the eyes more than the lips, so yeah. Guys, let me know down below in the comments what you think of this look. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this look and this video. I am back for good. No more excuses except for work in college. Anyway guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I'll hopefully pray to the gods I'll see you on Thursday. Anyways, for now, skadoodle.